welcome to MaiMoments, the best channel for makeup and hair tutorial and also products review. Today I'm super excited to try this products right here. Oh my goodness, I'm going to create a beautiful wave with this. Hopefully it worked. I never tried this products before, so I'm super excited. It's from Bedhead, TIGI. Thanks God is... No, it's not Thank God It's Friday. I don't know what it means. TIGI. Definitely comment below and let me know because I never tried to figure out what that means. And I'm so excited to try this like beach wave because this is legit beach wave rather than the current iron and it's like soft wave, you know. This is more like a beach wave. So I'm super excited to try this product and it felt like a trophy. I love how the shape is because it's so legit. I'm going to try it, so I'll be right back opening this package. You know, whenever you have fake nail and you have to try to open like stuff, it's like really useless. So bear with me. There we go. Cool. Now I'm going to plug this in and then I will read the instructions while waiting for this to heat up. So for the helpful tips, hair should be clean and completely dry before using this styling tool. I agree with that because if you have a damp hair or wet hair and you're adding some heat on, it's not just damage your hair, it's going to make it dry and also cause it split in. So plug this product into the electrical cord. So what you're going to do is press this on right here. In order to know if it's on, then it's blinking red right here. Don't touch this part because it's super hot. And you can see there is a different temperature. If you have a fine, thin hair, your heat level should be average about 250 to 280. For a wavy to medium hair, which is like my hair right here, it's going to be 325 to 350. If you have a thick, hard to styling hair, which is more like a coarse hair, you want it to be 375 to 400. Important information if you try this products for the first time, which is me. Select the lowest heat setting and test in a small amount sections of hair for 5 to 8 seconds. If you want to use a higher setting, be sure to gradually increase the temperature. Never styling hair for the first time on a high setting as this may damage your hair. Absolutely correct. Use only as much heat as you need for effective styling. So they just tell me to hold it for 5 seconds to 8. So I'm going to do that. Before applying intense heat on my hair, I'm going to spray it with the Chi Iron Guard 44 Thermal Protection Spray, especially toward my root and also at the ends. Use a comb to brush it out for the solutions to spread evenly. Next, I'm going to divide my hair into portions. I found it's much easier to work from the bottom and gradually toward the top. I grab a small sections and the temperatures I'm using is 325. I'm starting closely toward my root, but don't over here trying to go all the way to the scalp to burn it. And I will wait like a good 8 seconds and working on the next section. So where I left off, I'm going to go ahead and plant where I left, and this will give me a perfect wave. You guys, this process does take a while. Like, it's not going to be fast and all. So you do have to have a lot of patience for this. Maybe I can grab onto a bigger section so we can finish this faster. Because if you are going to try to do this by yourself, I mean your hands is going to be tired because it is pretty heavy, first of all. And just now, my hand is already getting tired. I do like the wave, it looked pretty fun. And for me, I just like the wave to be crazy and perfect like this. If you just want a little bit, definitely you want to hold it for like a 1 or 2 seconds. But for me, I want a really like wavy, so that is my goal. But if it's not your goal, then you can adjust it all you want. Okay, so I feel that I need to adjust it to 350 because I want the process to be faster. So I'm going to clamp it on. So where you stop is where you want to begin. So as you can see here, I'm going to release and I'm going to count to, oh my gosh, it's really heavy. So that's a downside to that. But it's super easy. Would this be convenience and fast? No, not at all. But it creates a really cute and beautiful wave, as you can see here. So I'm going to work on the next sections and I'm going to make it thicker this time. So let's see how it works. So I think this is thicker. There we go. And then I'm gonna wait for a good 8 seconds. So if you having a bigger sections, then you do need to wait a little bit longer. So it's going to be a good like 10 seconds. So here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is super tedious, but if you want to have a larger section, so it's going to be faster. And if you want your wave to be less, once again, you will use a lower number whenever you're holding the section of hair. Versus me, I'm counting to 10. This is even bigger section, so let's see how this gonna take. I'm going to count to 10 seconds. So if you want to achieve this hairstyle but you don't want to have any heat, there's a way to do it. If you are going to use the 3-string braid and leave it overnight, you would definitely have this perfect wave right here. So that's another options. If you want to have a video where I'm going to create this perfect wave with heatless, definitely comment below. So this right here is what is really heavy and this part is light. So that's why it's not balanced and it was really hard for me just to hold it because it is just really heavy. This is going to be so beautiful whenever you're going on a romantic date or a first time going to a date. This is such a romantic wave. Look at this. It is so amazing and I really enjoying the wave. But you know, I also want to let you know that this thing it's a great arms workout. So I'm over here have to switch hands multiple times just for half of my hair. I'm not even finished with my whole hair yet. And this process you do have to wait because it's going to work at a small amount at a time, just one strings rather than you are trying to curl your hair. You can definitely wrap all around and wait for a good 10 seconds and you're done. But this one you have to clamp every sections of your hair. So the longer your hair, the longer it's going to take. Just like me, if you have shorter hair, then lucky for you because this is really tiring. This is definitely fun. I mean, it's giving me a different wave rather than a circle. This is looking like a fake hair, so I really enjoy how perfectly the wave is giving me. So if you just have a normal current irons, the ones, then this is definitely going to be a great collection that going to add in of your hair tool if you want something different. Just letting you know, I am super excited for the next coming up Halloween 2021. I know that you're thinking, Halloween just left. Why are you over here already thinking about next year? Yes, I know where I want to be and I already have a plan of hair and makeup that I want to share with you guys. But this time, I want to rock the costume because I did purchase a lot of costume from Party City when they have a sale after Halloween up to 75%, which is absolutely amazing because each of my costume costs about $15 to $25, depend on what the costume, and some of them is not even on sale, so I do not get that. But I'm just super excited because it's not going to be, you know, the makeup and the hair, but also the costume, and I definitely want to walk around town. If you did not know, whenever I do my tutorial, whenever you see me, is usually a month ahead, so it's not even like Halloween month. I definitely want to catch people's reactions who thought I'm going to be weird, but hey, I have amazing turnout with the kid. They just look at me and mesmerize, like, wow, she over here just crazy. And the parent just look at me and normal. But if I have the whole shebang costume, so my dream in college is actually be one of the Disney princess and work for Disney World. And I think it's perfectly if I play a role of Mulan because I'm Asians. Come on. And the qualifications, you have to be 5'5". And I was like, well, you know, I don't fit in that category because this girl is only 5'1". But I have such an amazing experience when I got the opportunity to go to a Disney World representing for Phi Theta Kappa. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically an honor society. Yes, I'm a nerd. And so I was the vice president for my chapter. And it was such an amazing experience. And my mentor during that time said that you can definitely apply to do internship here. I thought that was an amazing idea. I did not do it since I stayed back to try to finish my school, my degree, so that's why I did not end up doing. But since I can also dress up as Mulan or any kind of princess at my own time, especially Halloween. For next Halloween, be anticipate of what princess that I'm going to be. I'm super excited to show it to you guys. Okay, so this is almost done and look how amazing this is. Oh my goodness. What is your wildest dreams that you did not able to achieve, but hey, you found another way to actually achieve it? Definitely comment below because I do care and I read your message. And if you guys don't know, I do read and write back. So if you're going to give me a message, definitely I can't wait to see what you had to say. Oh, so by the way, if you're wondering how I able to create this zigzag braid, you can definitely check out this video right here because I'm gonna show you step by step. But in this video, we are focusing on this tool only. Oh, I just find out that you can hold this part, so it definitely level off the weight. But still, I feel that if I switch hand, it's much easier because I need to give this arm a rest. So what I noticed that if you are going to work a larger sections than this, is going to be more effective because this is so much easy to slide, but when you have a good portion, it's going to be more stable and you have a better grip. So can you see this part right here? I remember I did work on this part, but you know, since the first time when we trying, I did not have enough heat to put it on. I was putting around 325. Now the heat is 350. So yeah, definitely you need to make sure it is going to be in the correct temperatures or your hair is not going to hold. So this part right here, I need to fix it. So another tips that I noticed that if you are grabbing a large chunk like this, is giving you a bigger wave. So you can see this side is have a bigger wave and this side is a smaller wave because I'm grabbing a smaller chunk. And I mean, like, both are beautiful and I love and enjoy it. But if I'm going to do it next time, I prefer to have a bigger wave because I see it's more romantic and I like this. It's perfect for me. But actually, I like it both. It just depends on what occasion and what look that you're going to. Lastly, add some hairspray to lock it all together. Oh, I'm loving this style. I'm look crazy and wild, but it's still looking beautiful. So romantic. Oh yeah, look at this. Bam, bam, bam. Woo. Let's show off some shoulders. So you guys are here to see whether this product is going to be worth your time and money, and is it my approved. I definitely love this product right here. It gives me an amazing result. For every tool that I use, there's definitely a con and pro, but I see more a positive side for this product right here because it boosts up my confidence. I look good, I feel good. For the negative side is that it's heavy. You know, when it's come to beauty, beauty is pain. So definitely I got some pain in this, is that I'm working at my arm. So, you know, it's still good. So don't forget to check out more of my video right here, and also subscribe, ring the bell for more notifications, and as always, love yourself, stay motivated, peace out.